Hello, my name is Matthew, and today I want to tell you about my stories about my daily activities, and I have a title for it, and the title is The Positive Habit. So, my life as a college student has some unique habit. It is really different unlike when I was in school. Life at university has a flexible schedule. With this flexibility of schedule, I have more time to do my positive habit. If I have morning class started at 8 a.m. or 9 a.m., I usually start my day with a simple exercise. After that, I take a bath and eat my breakfast, then go to the campus. When I come home from a tiring day in campus, once again I do some exercise to keep me awake. I must awake because I must study at night, and at 10 p.m. I must sleep so I will ready for tomorrow. This is my activity when I have morning class. But what if I don't? Sometimes I have afternoon class, start around 10 a.m., 11 a.m. or maybe 2 p.m. When I have afternoon class, my morning activities is a bit different from usual. I usually start my day with more exercise, and I have more time to clean the house with my mother. My mother, she wakes up earlier and always take care of my father before he goes to work. I always think, if my parents do their obligation as parents to us, then I must do my obligation as a son to make them live better.